Discoveries in the cellular regeneration arena have become very exciting. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you. Scientists have discovered the secret to youth, and it's all about cellular regeneration. Cellular regeneration is the process of replacing old or damaged cells with new ones. This is essential for maintaining the health and function of our organs and tissues. However, as we age, our cellular regeneration slows down, leading to signs of aging such as wrinkles, sagging skin, hair loss, and chronic diseases. The good news is that we can boost our cellular regeneration by using a revolutionary product called Renovovita. Renovovita is a dietary supplement that contains natural ingredients that stimulate the production of stem cells in our body. Stem cells are the master cells that can transform into any type of cell we need. By increasing our stem cell levels, we can enhance our cellular regeneration and reverse the effects of aging. Renovovita has been clinically proven to improve various aspects of our health and wellness. Some of the benefits include improved skin elasticity and hydration, reduced wrinkles and fine lines, increased hair growth and thickness, enhanced energy and vitality, strengthened immune system and cognitive function, and reduced inflammation and pain. If you want to experience the amazing benefits of Renovovita for yourself, you can order it online from their official website. Renovovita is currently offering a special discount for new customers who sign up for their subscription plan. You can also join their affiliate program and earn commissions by sharing Renovovita with your friends and family. Don't miss this opportunity to reclaim your youth and vitality with Renovovita.